Hey everybody, it is me. I'm down in the engine room of the Berkeley right now. Here we have the triple expansion steam engine, a marvel of its time. Sorry about that. I'm just down the tail end of cold, and I'm going to perform a demonstration for you. So here goes. Now, here we go. Be gentle, gentle, gentle. See where we have good pressure, so there it goes. There we are. Here you can see the triple expansion steam engine hard at work. Now right now we're pushing around about 6 RPM. In its heyday, we'd be pushing 20 times that, at least 120 RPM. This is because we no longer run our off of steam. Oh my God, sorry about that. But now the Berkeley was the first successful double-ended screw-driven ferry on the West Coast, meaning I can do this. If she'll be gentle. Gently. You good girl. But yeah, so now, and now we're going the other way. Now, one moment. That. Now, with a triple expansion steam engine, you have three cylinders. Now, I would like to draw your attention to that silver thing up there. That is a throttle. Now, when steam goes from the engine room to the throttle, it's superheated to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's at 165 psi. It goes into the high pressure cylinder, it expands, it does work, goes to the low pressure cylinder, it expands, it does work. I'm sorry, I'm in the intermediate pressure cylinder, goes in the intermediate pressure cylinder, it expands, it does work, goes in the low pressure cylinder, it expands, it does work. From there, it hits the, excuse me, God, well, watch my head, it hits the condenser. Now, when it hits the condenser, it's at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and 2 psi. Now, I would like to draw your attention to this. That is a loofah. Say that with me, loofah. Now, laugh. Holding for laugh. Loofah. It's a hilarious word. Oh, jeez. Need to find my cough drop. So here we have the hot well, and in here you'd have a whole lot of loofah, and this was to scrub the any like grease or oil or other impurities out. I'm sorry, the camera's out of focus for some reason. It's probably because of the lighting, but there we go. But so you'd have a bunch of loofah in there to help scrub out the oil or grease, and here we have a whole bunch of auxiliary pumps, which I will get to in a moment. Just have to hook up the air line. 1 second. There we go. Now, let us go to this one. This one's my personal favorites. Here we are. Or not. Don't want to cooperate today. Maybe this one. Or not. Okay, maybe we won't be we won't be playing with the auxiliary engines today. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Oh, no. There we go. Here. Now we're looking with gas. Let's play. There we go. Look at that. That is the condensing pump. Here we have the auxiliary seawater recirculation pump. Let's play. Look at that. And then you have various other different pumps, all really cool, fun things. Let's see if do you want. And now one does not want to cooperate today. Okay, well, that is all I have to show you. There it is, and that is the engine room of the Berkeley. Peace.